Hello everyone, welcome back, and you're watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Not getting notification sound for text messages and also banner not showing up on lock screen after iOS 14 update. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. To know more about Apple devices, please subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. Solution number 1. Turn off and turn on allow notifications. To do this, launch Settings, tap on Notifications, find and tap on Messages. Now uncheck Lock Screen, Notification Center, Banner. Next, turn off Allow Notifications. After turning off, restart your iPhone, and after restart your iPhone, turn on Allow Notifications and uncheck these three options: Banners, Notification Center, Lock Screen. Solution number 2. Check ringer or silent button. Left side of your iPhone you can see ringer silent button. If orange color is visible, that means your phone is in silent mode. Solution number 3. Turn off Bluetooth. If your phone is already connected to a Bluetooth device, the sound might be notified on that device. That's why you could not hear the sound through your iPhone. To get rid of this issue, turn off Bluetooth. To turn off Bluetooth, launch Setting, tap on Bluetooth and turn off Bluetooth. Solution number 4. Make sure that Do Not Disturb mode is turned off. To check Do Not Disturb, launch Settings, tap on Do Not Disturb, make sure Do Not Disturb is turned off. Solution number 5. Check your text tone. To check that, open Settings, tap on Sounds. Check the ringer and alert sound is set to medium or high. After that, tap on text tone. Make sure that none is not selected. If it's selected, you won't get notification sound. Solution number 6. Turn off hide alerts. If you didn't get a notification sound for a particular contact, Do Not Disturb or hide alerts might be turned on for that contact. To check this, open Messages. If hide alerts or Do Not Disturb is turned on, a small moon icon will appear beside the contact name. To get notification for this conversation again, swipe from right to left on the conversation, then select Show Alerts to turn off hide alerts. Solution number 7. Set Show Previews to Always for Messages. To do this, first launch Settings, tap on Notifications, find and tap on Messages. Now tap on Sounds. Make sure that you have not selected None option, then go back. Now tap on Show Previews. Here we have to select Always. Solution number 8. Reset all settings. If you do reset all settings, this will reset your all customized setting to default setting like notifications, brightness, alarm and wallpaper as well. But none of your personal data will be deleted like photos, videos, mails and messages. To reset all settings, go to Settings, tap on General, tap on Reset, tap Reset all settings, put your passcode and tap again Reset all setting to confirm your action. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.